Hello! Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to skate, and this video is for beginners, so how to skate for beginners. So let's get into the video. Okay, so today I'm specifically going to be teaching you guys how to stand up on skates properly, how to get your momentum going while you're on the skates so you can just start going forward. You don't have to push off, Be teaching two ways of stopping. So I'm going to teach a T-stop and give me a second. Oh, and to stop using your brakes. Okay. I don't know why that took me so long to remember. So anyways, let's get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
Okay. Now that I have my skates on, the first thing I'm going to teach you guys is how to stand up on skates properly. Now this is very important if you like to go to skating rinks like Skate City or Roller Skate World or something like that. You never want to have your hands on the floor because if someone is skating past you or if someone falls on you, you don't want them to skate across your fingers. That would hurt a lot. So
I've been stung by a wasp. I've been stung by a wasp.
So we're gonna go ahead and get on the floor and I will show you guys how to get up. Okay. So I am on the floor
I want to get up.
without using my hands. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to slide your legs to the side. Remember, keep your hands up. Don't have your hands on the ground. That's the most important part. So slide your feet to the side. You're going to get up on your knees. One leg up, other leg up. Okay. Now that was very easy. It may look hard the first time you do it, so that's why I want you guys to practice it 2 or 3 times. So let's do that again. Okay, so you're gonna slide your legs to the side. Oop, no hands on the ground. Get up on your knees. One foot up. You can do either foot, whichever one you're most comfortable on, and stand right up. So go ahead and practice that as many times as you want until you feel like you have it like embedded in your mind. And yeah, let's get on to the next thing. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to teach you guys today is how to get your momentum going. Now, when you're on skates, a lot of beginners, they go about it as if they were walking, but it's not the same because you have to focus on your body weight mostly because you're on wheels. I mean, if you're just walking,
Very dangerous, actually, so don't do that.
because you have to balance. Anyways, I said don't do that and I just started doing it again. Okay,
Do as I say, not as I do.
anyways, so to even get momentum, what you're going to do is you're going to have your feet in a V position or triangle or V, doesn't really matter. And you automatically start going forward once you do that. So, and once you start going forward, don't lose your balance. That's going to cause you to fall. Just keep your balance. And you got this. Just practice that over and over again until you feel like you can do it without losing your balance. Have your feet in a V, go forward, bring them in just a little bit so your legs aren't open too wide. And you just start going forward and have them in a circle so you don't go too far. Okay, let's do that again. Put them in a V, you start going forward. Circle them a bit. And one more time. Okay, so now that you can get your momentum going, just going forward, that's the most important part, because after that, it's all about just keep going and stopping. Keep your balance. Make sure your balance is as centered as possible. Okay, so once you have your momentum going, you want to pretend as if you are stepping with the V. So when you have your V position, you're going to go forward. Your feet are going to go outwards. So you want to step your feet in so that they stay connected, but you're still going forward. So I'm not sure if you guys really understand what that means, so I'm going to show you guys, and then maybe you'll be like, oh, I get it. Okay, so what I mean by this is you have your V, and you go and you step. You go and you step, step. You're going to get your V, you're going to go forward and step. Okay, so let me show that again. Okay, so I want you guys to keep practicing that over and over until you feel like you're comfortable with it. And once you feel like you're comfortable, go ahead and move on to step 3. Okay, so number 3 is we're going to be learning how to T-stop. Now there are multiple different stops. I'm just going to be teaching the easiest two because it is a beginner's lesson right now. So the T-stop is you're going, and you form your feet as a T. One foot comes behind and drags behind until you come to a complete stop. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Make sure all 4 wheels are on the ground and you have about a right angle with your feet. One foot facing forward, the other foot facing sideways, and the other foot is sort of behind. Okay, so this is a T-stop. So you're going. Boom. Okay, so I'm going to show that a few more times just so you know exactly what it looks like. So going. Now I want you guys to start off going slow because it'll get easier. The more you practice it, then you'll be able to do it a lot faster. So don't worry about speed right now. Just go slow and speed will come. Okay, so after you guys practice that move a few more times, just make sure you're comfortable with being able to plant your foot right there and stop. You don't want to lose your balance, you just want to stop. So make sure you're practicing with that a lot until you feel like it's perfect, like you're good. So the next stop we're going to do, we're going to be using our brake. This stop is a lot easier because it doesn't require you to move your foot that much. You're just tipping one foot forward. Now, if you don't have specifically skates like these skates with the brake in the front. So if you don't have these skates, then you are going to be using a different brake. I just want you guys, if you have inline skates with the brakes on the back, you're basically doing the same exact thing except you are leaning your foot back. So inline skates, you're going to be leaning your foot back. If you have speed skates, go ahead and keep doing the T-stop. And if you don't know what speed skates are skates that don't have any brakes on them. So if you don't know what they are, that's just what they are. And if you do have speed skates, I just want you to keep practicing the T-stop and you will learn more stops. If you keep watching these videos, I will teach you guys more stops that you can do with different types of skates. So inline skates, go ahead, use that back brake. Everyone else, go ahead and use your front brake. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You know exactly what to do already. All you do is drop your toe. Let me show that again. Just drop your toe. Okay, so that's all I have today for this video. So go ahead and give it a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to keep learning how to skate with this YouTube channel. See you guys later.